Hey YouTube, Matt the Bat here, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Google Pixel 3 in 2022. Let's go. And this is a sealed Pixel 3. I got straight from Google directly. Thank you, Google. And story behind this is I had a black one, it broke, and they replaced it with this clearly not pink one is what it's called. It comes with the accessory packet, which contains your Google sticker, a SIM eject tool, and a get started guide. All the goodies, that everyone needs. And they actually sent me some headphones. I actually use a pair of these on my Pixel 5, so I want to say they're pretty good. A charger brick with a charger and a headphone jack adapter, and it is the Type-C one. Well, thank you all for watching. I will do a review of this phone later, but I can say this is probably one of the greatest experiences I've had in a while. Stay tuned for more. Thank you, Matt the Bat, signing out. Peace.